Hey, my name is Kathy. I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF into an Excel worksheet and how to lock the PDF file. This is helpful in order to protect your work from being moved or deleted. You're going to go up into the ribbon and click on Insert Object. This little square with a blue ribbon on the top is actually your Insert Object button. I'm going to create it from the file, from a PDF that I have on my hard drive. So I'm going to click Create File, Browse, go down to the PDF I'd like to choose, double click, and then I'm going to click OK. And there you'll see my PDF link right there embedded into the worksheet. I want to make sure that it's locked, so I'm going to right click on the icon. I'm going to go to Format Object, and I'm going to go up to the Protection tab, which is right here between Picture and Properties, and I'm going to make sure that the locked box is checked. I can either uncheck it or check it. You want it checked. Click OK. Now this will not help much unless you protect your worksheet entirely. So in order to protect the entire worksheet, please go to File. And in Excel 2013, you'll see that it will have an option to protect your workbook. So click Protect Workbook and just click Protect Current Sheet. Control what types of changes people can make to the current sheet. You'll want to put a password in. I'm going to type password. Make sure that Protect Worksheets and contents of locked cells are checked. That way your PDF will also be protected. Click OK, re-enter your password. And that's how you protect a worksheet and an embedded PDF file in Excel. Thanks for watching. My name is Kathy.